Hey friends, I'm just here for the booze. Crochet me for free with a new interactive pattern. To get the pattern, turn off your ad blocker and head on over to crochetmethat.com. Hit the button named Interactive Patterns and scroll down to the button named Seasonal, and then click Just Here for the Booze. It will bring you to the info page. Now just click Start. It will bring you to the interactive pattern. Note at the bottom of the page it says Start Project Program. Click the button to go to your table of contents. Click the first step, and it will give you a list of abbreviations. At the bottom, click the Finish step and automatically advance. This brings you to the materials list. Again, click the button on the bottom to advance. The pattern is written and also speaks the instructions.
2 ounces. Number 4 worsted weight yarn. I used Red Heart. Size H crochet hook. Small amount of number 3 thread in gray and merlot and a size 4 steel crochet hook. Darning needle and scissors. Small amount of black felt and a glue gun. With white number 4 yarn and a size H hook, chain 15. Round 1. Single crochet in each of the 15 chains. Join to the first single crochet to form a ring. 15 single crochets made. Round 2. Chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. Double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches and make an increase in the next stitch. You will repeat this 5 times. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You will not have 20 double crochets. Round 3. Chain 2. Again, this does not count as a stitch. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches, make 2 double crochets in the next stitch for an increase. You will do this 5 times. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You now have 25 double crochets. Round 4. Chain 2, repeat the following 5 times. Double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, make a double crochet increase in the next stitch. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You now have 30 double crochets. Rounds 5 through 18, chain 2 and double crochet in each of the 30 stitches around. Join each round as before. At the end of round 18, end off and weave in the end. Let's make 2 arms. For the first arm, with white and size H hook, make a magic ring and chain 1 to secure. Round 1. Chain 2 and make 7 double crochets in the ring. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 7 double crochets. Round 2. Chain 2 and double crochet in each stitch around. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 7 double crochets. Round 3. Chain 2 and double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. Double crochet increase in the last stitch. Join to the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 8 double crochets. Chain 2. You will repeat the following 4 times. Double crochet in the next street and increase in the next street. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 12 double crochets. Round 5. Chain 2. Repeat the following 4 times. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then increase in the next street. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 16 double crochets. Round 6. Chain 2 and repeat the following 4 times. Double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Make an increase in the next stitch. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 20 double crochets. Rounds 7 and 8. Chain 2 and double crochet in each stitch around. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. You have made 20 double crochets. Now fold the piece in half and single crochet the opening back to front together. End off and weave in the end. Set the piece aside and make the opposite arm in the same manner. Let's start the wine glass. With Merlot colored thread and size 4 steel crochet hook, make a magic ring and chain 1 to secure. Row 1. Chain 1 and make 3 single crochets in the ring. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 3 single crochets. Note, the magic ring is used to give the glass a more rounded bottom. Row 2. Make 2 single crochets in each stitch. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 6 single crochets. Row 3. Make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Single crochet across until the last stitches. Make 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 8 stitches. Row 4. Make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Single crochet across until the last stitch. Make 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 10 stitches. Rows 5 to 15. Single crochet in each of the 10 stitches across ending with a chain 1 and turn. Edging, do not end off but turn to the side and single crochet evenly down the side, across the bottom and up the next side. Join to the first single crochet of row 15, end off and weave in the end. Now we will trim the glass. Attach light gray thread to the upper right edge. Single crochet around working 3 single crochets in each corner. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. End off and weave in the end. Mark the bottom center stitch. Now we will make the wine stem and base. With gray thread, chain 9 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 8 stitches. Row 2. Single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Single crochet the last 2 stitches together. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 6 stitches. Row 3. Single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Chain 1 and turn. You have made 4 stitches. Row 4. Single crochet in the next street. Single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Single crochet in the last stitch. You have made 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Slip stitch in the middle marked street on the bowl of the glass. Chain 9 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each of the next 7 chains. Make 5 single crochets down the side of the bowl. Chain 1 and single crochet across the bottom. Chain 1 and make 5 single crochets up the next side. Single crochet in each remaining chain. End off leaving a long tail. Set the stem to the marked center. Weave in all ends. Dip the wine glass in school glue. Wring it out and shape the glass and let it dry on a non-stick surface. For the eyes and mouth use black felt. Cut 2 eyes E4, ACH approximately 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch. Then cut out a mouth that is approximately 1 inch by 1/2 inch. Now grab your glue gun. Glue all the features to the face starting about the 5th double crochet row down as shown below. Embroider 2 French knots on the eyes if desired. To finish, glue glass to one hand as shown below. Glue the other opposite hand over the glass as if holding it. Now glue the center of the glass and hands to the center of the body. For the shoulders, glue them to the body sides. Note: this is easier if you slip the body over the wine bottle. Create tag. Write a cute note such as, "Just here for the booze," or, "Let's get sheet-faced." You are ready for gift giving. Enjoy!
If you enjoyed this pattern, please hit like and subscribe to keep up with my latest projects. For more interactive designs, head over to crochetmethat.com and bookmark the site. I'm adding new patterns all the time, so stay tuned.